Hello everyone and welcome to Shifting Gears, and with me today I have the all new BMW iX. This is the electric future of BMW here in the Indian market. This is their first full electric SUV which you can buy. Deliveries are going to start from next year and this is going to be a full import. This is a CBU. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the exterior design and the interior features of this all-new BMW iX. This is a 5-seater SUV, so let's check it out. BMW has launched their first ever iX electric luxury SUV in the country. This new BMW iX xDrive 40 has been launched at an introductory price tag of rupees 1 crore 15 lakh 90,000 only. This all-electric SUV will be available in white, blue, black and grey paint options. The company will also retail the iX in an optional BMW Individual Aventurine red metallic paint option. On the inside, the iX gets exclusive olive leaf tanned natural leather upholstery in Castania color scheme. iX is the brand's first electric all-wheel drive vehicle, sports activity vehicle. This is a CBU product, hence the premium pricing. Bookings are now open and deliveries will begin from April 2022. BMW claims that the new iX will be as functional as an X5, dynamically rich like an X6, and has street cred similar to an X7. But looks are definitely subjective, and you let us know if you think this iX is a good looking modern BMW or not. BMW iX is powered by the 5th generation BMW eDrive technology with an integrated drive unit in a single housing, which then powers the front and rear axles via two electric motors. The iX xDrive 40 comes with a 76.6 kWh battery pack coupled to a single-speed transmission. The iX pumps 326 horsepower and 630 Nm of torque, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.1 seconds. BMW claims that the iX has a WLTP certified range of between 372 to 425 km on a full charge. The all-wheel drive system can on-the-fly shift the torque distribution between the front and rear axles for optimum grip, and the driver also gets My modes to switch between personal, sport or efficient styles of driving. But hey, this is an electric, and yes, the car comes with BMW Iconic Sounds Electric, which are actually fake driving sounds to entertain you as well as alert the pedestrians. Now let's talk about the charging options now. If you make use of a 150 kilowatt DC charger, 80% charge will come in 31 minutes and 95 kilometers will be added to your iX in 10 minutes. If you make use of a 50 kilowatt DC charger, 80% of charge will come in 73 minutes and 100 kilometers of range will be added in 21 minutes. If you make use of a 11 kilowatt AC charger, 100% charge will come in about 7 hours and 100 kilometers of range will be added in 2.5 hours. BMW India Financial Services is offering loans, insurance and other services to customers. With custom ownership plans like BMW 360 Degree, one can get an assured buyback of up to 54% in 3 years. Even accessories can be 100% financed, which also includes the wall box charger. By the way, when you buy the iX, BMW will install a wall box charger for you at home or at office and will also give you a portable charging cable. BMW will set up fast chargers at their dealerships in 35 cities across the country for customer convenience. The iX comes with 2 years standard warranty for unlimited kilometers. The batteries get 8 years of warranty for up to 1,60,000 kilometers. The BMW iX comes with ShyTech or stealth technology. It means that there are certain elements hidden on the inside and outside. Some might wonder, why do you have such a big grille on an EV when EVs don't even need a front grille? But there are multiple sensors, camera, radar tech and proximity sensors housed in here. The iX comes with flush door handles. The front logo pops open to reveal the washer. The rear camera washer is also within the logo. Speakers are integrated and the head-up display projector is recessed in a way that the driver can't see the mechanical bits. Now the iX does try to bring a typical SUV design appearance, but it is different. You get a large kidney grille, narrow and sleek headlamps, frameless doors, bonnet with 3D design, rectangular wheel arches, single-piece taillights, 21-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels, and plenty of contrasting elements. On the inside, things are minimalistic and luxurious. There is no central tunnel console which allows for a lot of room in the cabin, and the flat floor also helps in passenger comfort. Once inside the iX, you get to see the polygonal shaped 2-spoke steering wheel, crystal glass used on the gear console, start-stop button, and also on the seat adjusters. The single-piece curved glass display is the longest ever in a BMW and is angled towards the driver for an immersive experience. Adding drama is also the electrochromic panoramic sunroof. Other stuff includes seats with integrated headrests, massage options, ambient lights, and luggage capacity of up to 1750 liters. The tech kit includes Harman Kardon 18-speaker sound system, wireless charging, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, surround view camera, reverse assistant, 4-zone climate control, and much more. BMW is focusing a lot on sustainability with the iX. Going forward, the brand will rethink, reuse, recycle, and reduce primary raw materials and increase the secondary materials in production. So guys, what is your opinion? What do you think about this all-new BMW iX? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this car? Do you think this is futuristic enough? And do you think the design is polarizing or not? Whatever is your opinion, let us know in the comments below, because the grills are getting larger, and although BMW doesn't need to add such a huge grille on electric cars, this is serving a purpose because it is housing and covering a lot of that new age technology that this iX is bringing to the table. See you soon. Subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, always drive safe, always wear your seatbelts.